Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with second chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. This lesson is about a mongoose who saves his friend life from a snake at the cost of his life. So in this lesson, the mongoose and a baby boy were best friends, and the mongoose saved his friend's life from a snake who is there to kill his friend. Here, the mongoose does not care about his life in order to save his friend's life, right? Now, let's begin with the text. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. Means, once there was a farmer. He lived with his wife and they had their son. Both of them, the farmer and his wife, loved their son very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. Now, one day the farmer said to his wife that they should have a pet. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. Companion means friend, partner, right? So, the farmer said that they should have a pet so that the farmer and his wife's son could play with that pet whenever he grow up. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. Means the pet which would be brought by the farmer would be farmer's son companion or farmer's son friend. So his wife liked the idea because they had the only son whom they loved the most. So they wanted a friend for their son, for which they thought of an idea that they should a companion or a friend as a pet for their son. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Tiny means small, right? So means the tiny mongoose was actually baby mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Means when the farmer brought a tiny mongoose to his house, the farmer's wife said, "This is a baby mongoose. This is very small mongoose." Then the farmer said to his wife that the mongoose would be grown up very soon and that mongoose would become their son's friend, right? Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Bushy means thick, so bushy word is mostly used for tail, for a bushy tail. Okay, so the baby and the mongoose both were growing and both grew after 5 or 6 months. The mongoose had grown to its full size. On the other hand, the baby was just 5 to 6 months. Now, mongoose has become a lovely animal who had 2 shining black eyes and or a bushy tail, right? The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Means the farmer's son had not grown to its full size. He was just 5 to 6 months who just started sitting, but still he was in the cradle. Either he used to sleep or cry. Alternately means whenever he used to get up, he used to cry for some time and then after some time he used to sleep. This was going alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. So, she fed the baby means she had made her baby's stomach full. Means she had given him the food and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. The baby was sleeping in the cradle and after having his food. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. Means she said to her husband that I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping, keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him means take care of him. So she said the baby is sleeping, keep an eye on him means take care of him. If he is awakened, if he wakes, then take care of him. है ना? Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. This was being said by the mother of the baby boy. So she said to be very frank, very clearly, that she did not want to leave the child alone with the mongoose because according to her, the mongoose could harm her baby, and her baby had danger from of that mongoose, right? You need not be afraid, said the farmer. Now, what the farmer said? Farmer said, you need not be afraid. Means the farmer that there was no reason to be afraid of the mongoose. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best friends. They are the best of friends, you know. Now, according to the farmer, the mongoose was a friendly animal. It is a friendly animal because if mongoose is your friend, so he will help you out from any of the problem wholeheartedly, right? So the farmer said to his wife that mongoose was as sweet as their baby, as their own baby, and the farmer's son and the mongoose were best friend, है ना? So they both were best friends. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. Now, as soon as the wife went away from her house to the market, the farmer was sitting at his home. As he had nothing to do in the house, so he decided to go out and take a look. Actually, he wanted to see his fields. The fields which were not far away. These fields which belonged to farmer means farmer fields were not at a distant place, so he thought to go to there to see his fields. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. Means when he was going to his field and when he was coming back, he met his friends, some friends, right? And he didn't return for quite some time, as he became busy in talking with them, and he took much time, and he didn't return for quite some time, right? The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Groceries means the food and other items that you buy in a store or supermarket, right? So when farmer's wife came after finishing her shopping, she had a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. Means she saw the mongoose who were sitting outside the house as if the mongoose was waiting for her only. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Customary means tradition, right? So tradition here says when somebody comes at our home, so we should go out to welcome the guest. So on seeing farmer's wife, the mongoose ran out to welcome her as it was a tradition. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Now what happened? Means as soon as the farmer's wife looked at mongoose's mouth, she screamed, है ना. She shouted, she cried, है ना. She cried aloud because she was shocked to see blood on Mongoose mouth. Smeared, smeared means there was blood all around Mongoose face and his paws. What she said, "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby." So here wicked means bad, है ना. So farmer's wife cried aloud. You wicked animals means unpleasant or very bad animal. You have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. Hysterically means a state in which your emotions are so strong that you behaved in an uncontrolled way. So the farmer's wife lost her control or her behavior. So she spoke whatever came to her. Did not have control over her brain. So she screamed at Mongoose and said very bad things to his. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. Groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Rage means anger. She could not see anything, whether the mongoose has done something right or wrong, but she was screaming at him. And she was blind with rage and she could not see anything because of anger. Because she was blind with anger. So she put all her strength together, and with all her strength she put the heavy basket full of groceries on the mongoose, which was smeared with blood on his paws and his mouth, and she quickly ran inside to the child cradle. Now you can imagine the basket was too heavy with the groceries. It was too heavy that it might have killed the mongoose. Now let's see what happened next. As soon as farmer's wife ran to the child cradle where he was sleeping. The baby was first asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. Now, fast asleep means he was sleeping soundly. There was no one to disturb him all around. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. As soon as the farmer's wife looked at floor, she saw that there was a black snake. Torn means there was a snake which had many pieces lying on the floor, and there was blood all around. In a flash, she realized what had happened. In a flash means she had a quick back away. She thought that what might have happened when there would be a snake and mongoose kill that snake, because mongoose had blood on his mouth and his paws. So she thought that mongoose might have killed that snake. She realized that she did wrong when she cried aloud that mongoose. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Then she ran out looking for mongoose because she thought that the mongoose was right, who has saved her baby from that snake. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? Now she regrets, and what she said, she was realizing that what had she done, as she knew that mongoose had saved her son's life and he played the best role in friendship, as farmer's son and mongoose were best friends. She cried, touching the mongoose who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. So she started touching the mongoose whom she herself killed with the basket full of groceries. Who lay now? The mongoose was killed. He was dead. It was lying dead and still unaware of her sobbing. He did not even know that the farmer's wife was crying, and she didn't know What did mongoose do for her baby? Sobbing means to cry noisily while taking in short sudden breaths. So there the farmer's wife was crying and she was weeping, and the mongoose did not know even she realized her mistake what she did. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. The farmer's wife, who acted without even thinking, she was just to kill that mongoose. And rashly, without even thinking, she killed mongoose because she was blind with anger. She didn't even know what was she doing. She stared long. Stared means to look at one place. So she was staring at mongoose for a long time, which was already dead. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Wiping means clearing her own tears as she was crying. So she went into the room to feed him or to give him the food, right? So, students, the moral of the story is look before you leap. It means you need to think twice or thrice before doing anything. As in this story, what we see that the lady became angry, and with the rag she killed the mongoose. She did not analyze the situation, right? So this is the moral of this story, that we should look before leap. Thank you.